Okay, here we go. Catchphrase. Brian with BH35 Sports Cards doing a PC break for Jimmy Mahan. Got one box of Top Supreme 2013, one box of Bowman Football, the new stuff, and one box of Archives. We'll start with the quick hitter right here, Top Supreme. Let's get you two autos real quick. Rip. Can I have a redemption? Move this down just a bit. Your auto is Dan Gladden, 48 out of 50. Your IOU is John Smoltz. Relic, patch relic. Oh, that's going to be nasty. That's going to be a sick card right there, John Smoltz. Patch relic. Case hit, Jimmy Mahan. Archives coming up. Still kanji left in there though. Maybe. Can't remember if they're one per case. It's been a couple years. Archives gone. Whoa. Right? Smoltzy. Got him. Perfect. Let's get that Chris Bryant card, huh? This is not the hardest set to put together, but very big one. I find this much easier. But I love Finest. Yeah, the base card. Yeah, it's like super short. I think it's easier to hit an auto of them, to be honest with you. All right, here we go. Mike Trout, sick. Love Mike Trout. Who doesn't, right? Willie, Gary Brown, Jock, Johnny Briggs, buyback, Xander, Ryan, Chris Sale, Yasiel Puig, triple. Harry S. Truman. One of my buddies pulled the Ronald Reagan autograph, cut auto. So that one's gone. Confirmed. Phil Rizzuto. Rizzuto is a name, not a word. So if it's in a spelling contest, it's not fair. Will Ferrell. There he is. Clemente, sick. Babe Ruth. I love these. Jimmy Carter. That's awesome. Joe DiMaggio. Jose Cruz. Your first auto. Fan favorites. No. Yep. Fan favorites. Jose Cruz. Michael Jack. Abreu. I'm just naming off all my favorite players. Ricky. Here comes your second auto. JT Snow. Loved this guy. For the Giants. I suspect that I know where that man may end up. All right, let's go hunting here. Maybe a bonus auto and Chris Bryant. Maybe a no name of somebody. Buster Posey, nice. Abe Lincoln, sick. That's how I taught my daughter to find our minivan from all the other 9 million Honda Odysseys in the parking lot. Look for Abe. Look for Abe. Send it to Rob. This one? You got it. Got a package ready to go out for him tomorrow. I will include that in there for him. Very kind of you. I saw somebody Jimmy Mahan you on Instagram. MKG collector. Kind of hard to figure out how to say thank you when that happens. What's up, Bob613? All right, here we go. I think, well, this is our first look at Bowman. So this is the white rookies and the group breaks. These will be random off to everybody. So we'll, the black border ones to somebody else. Little mini of Justin Hardy, Levi Norwood to 99, Nick O'Leary to 4.99. And then all of that. How have you been, Bob? Mini. McKinney. Tyler Croft is your first auto. Autos look good. Look at that. Sick. Wow, base. J. Rich and Vinny got you, huh? How did they end up getting you? You got a die cut. Kenny Bell. Die cut. Brandon Cooks to 99. It's Shane Ray, Vince Mahaley, 449, Todd Gurley to 199, Monty Ball Ice. What's up, J. Rich? How are you? Hope you're well. Nick Montana, J-A. Nice. How did the Suns' baseball season end up, Bob? Jay Winston, right on top there. Boom. Kevin Johnson, got $3.99 and Quiz Golson. Demarius Thomas die cut. Little mini of Philip Dorsett. Bo Wallace, nice. You're getting some nice autos. Alan Hearns to 75. When's the draft? soon, right? Malcolm Brown, ice of Trey McBride. There's your relic. Kelvin Benjamin. That's coming up quick. About a week, huh? Alvin Dupree, TJ Clemens. That one's to $3.99. A blue of Nate Orchard to $4.99. Die cut. Lots of color. Ooh, there's an auto. Little one, too. That was Bryce Petty. This one is a Rick Armstead from Oregon, now on the 49ers. Bam. There you go. So that's it. Jimmy Mahan's 3-box break. Thank you very much, buddy.